So, thinking about that same idea, now they're going to throw some variables in there. The perimeter of my rectangle below is 132 units. Find the length of the side PS. So 132 units is the distance all the way around, right? But we know when we have a excuse me, a rectangle, we have to do 2 lengths and 2 widths because we have 2 sides that are going to be 5y and 2 sides that are going to be 4y plus 3. So they're going to say, okay, I'm going to do 2 times 5y and I'm going to do 2 times 4y plus 3. My perimeter, 2 lengths plus 2 widths. And it doesn't really matter which one you call the length and which one you call the width. So if I'm going to solve that, 2 times 5y would be 10y. 2 times 4y plus 3 would be 8y plus 6, right? And so adding my like terms, I'm going to get 132 equals...
Do we drop that? No, we don't drop that down and subtract it, right?
Well, we will in a minute, but first we're going to do that.
Okay, so 18y.
18y plus 6. And now we're going to move that 6 over, right? So subtract the 6. 18y equals 126. And then I'm going to divide by 18. What is y going to equal?
7.
7. Now, the question did not tell me to find y, did it? What did the question tell me to find?
The side of PS.
The side PS. The side PS is equal to 5y, or, well, not 40, 5 times 7, and 5 times 7 is 35. So 35 is going to be my answer, right?
Why is there a line up above PS? Is there a reason for that?
Because it means line segment, because I'm finding the side. A line technically goes on and on forever, so they put that to mean that it's just a part of a line that
Okay.
stops.
Just asking.
And that's why that means. That's a geometry thing we're not going to worry about too much. So, the perimeter of my quadrilateral is 64 units. Now, since it's not a square or a rectangle, we don't have a special formula. We know to find perimeter, we're just adding all the sides up, right? So we're going to say 5 plus 4y plus y plus 2 plus 5y minus 3
Holy.
has to equal my 64 units.
So they need to be like terms.
So we're going to combine all our like terms and shorten this mess up here, right? So if I add all my y's together, how many y's am I going to get?
10.
10y. And if I add my numbers together,
5, 6, 7, 8, 4.
4 plus 4 equals 64, right? So 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 plus 5 gave me 10, and then 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 minus 3 is 4. Now we have something that looks a little more familiar. I'm going to do what to solve that?
Subtract 4.
Minus my 4, 10y equals 60,
Divide by 10.
and divide by my 10, so y equals 6. Now this one does say find y. It didn't go back and say find side whatever. They don't even have their sides labeled. Just said find y. So we're done. We found y. And the last one on this homework page, again, I have a perimeter. I'm doing a triangle. We don't have a special formula for a triangle. We just add up all the sides. So if I know my perimeter is 64 again, what should my equation say?
3y plus y plus 2y plus 3.
Equals
Square.
64. Well, this time I only have 3 sides on my list instead of 4. If I combine my like terms, I'm going to get
6y plus 4 equals
6y plus 4 equals 64. That looks pretty familiar to the one above me. We're going to minus our 4. 6y equals 60. And divide by 6, so y equals 10. Now this one doesn't say find y, right? This one says find the side Vx. So Vx would be which side?
3y.
3y, which means I'm going to take 3 times my y value. 3 times 10, 30. Going to be the length of that side. All right, was there anything too terrible out of those 5 kind of problems? Just a little bit? All right, so we only put 5 on there because I know most people don't like word problems. So now